I dare you. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. It's Tuesday, no, it's Thursday, March 8th, 2018. We're here. And, well, at least I'm not queer. Well, maybe last night, not today. Trying to keep the jokes to a minimum here since obviously I'm not funny. So, anyways, guys, I really hope that yesterday's conversation isn't the reason why everything's in fucking negative today and red and Bitcoin's under 10K. I really hope it has nothing to do with me. But with that being said, today, what are we going to talk about? Let's talk about exchanges. Let's talk about what the fuck is going on. Let's talk about Mt. Gox. Let's talk about, that gigantic dump that everyone keeps talking about and stuff like that. And I'm going to tell you my fucking 2 cents on all this shit, okay? The way I look at it, the way I'm seeing it is like this, okay? Around December time, if the whole Mt. Gox thing, didn't happen, if this guy, the guy that's representing the trust for Mt. Gox, didn't start dumping these coins, could you imagine the price of an actual Bitcoin, what it would have been at around the end of December? Could have been close to probably 30 grams or something. Who the fuck knows? Something insane. Now, again, take all this with a grain of salt. But from my understanding, and again, I don't know if anyone out there can fucking help me out with this, be great. But from my understanding, the trustee or the trust can't even sell any of those Bitcoins or touch any of those assets until the actual case is done. And then, he would be doing that prudent in order to pay the people that were hurt originally back in, when all this happened. So again, him selling now in order to pay for whatever fees or what have you doesn't make much sense. Again, I don't know. Also, from what I was reading, everything that he sold already pays for all the fees and still holding on to some of these Bitcoin. For what? To dump them again at some point when he's told to dump them. And again, all this is way too fishy, but I don't fucking know. You know what I mean? Why dump them in the ways that they dumped and all that stuff, okay? I'm sure you guys have already heard this story a couple times. I've already read on it. And to me, the more I hear about it, the fishier it gets. And, right now, this is how a market like this, whether it's Bitcoin or any crypto, can be easily manipulated because there are so few players in the space at the moment that one player with a large influence can easily switch everything up. So, and then everything from remember how I was talking about weeks ago? Let's go back to how the exchanges, when I was fucking saying months ago or weeks ago, how exchanges are not safe, they could crash, they're easily fucking, kind of manipulated by the governments, whether we see them or not, and all these other things that I kept explaining about, and everyone was just like, oh, you're just spreading FUD. Again, I haven't talked about this stuff, but as we've been going on ever since those days, every fucking week or something, we hear something new, whether it's, just some, thing in Japan, the exchange in Japan, or whether it's Binance yesterday, the whole thing with the Mt. Gox. I know it's unrelated, but it's not unrelated. These are all, entities or variables that are trying to manipulate the market. Now, let's go to why I think that this trustee, or let me spark this up. The reason that I think this trustee was ordered to do this stuff is because, look, man, whether you guys like it or not, I think a lot of you guys already kind of know this, but Japan isn't really, it's a country and they're their own sovereign entity thing, but if you guys, know money, financials and everything, and know history, Japan is more akin to a Puerto Rico than anything else, in the sense that they are our colony, the United States of America's colony. Again, I know a lot of people don't want to hear that shit, but in a sense, that's really what they are. Remember, they don't have an army. We rebuilt the whole fucking nation. They have been going through, economic fucking insanity for fucking decades now, okay? And this is nothing new to them. And so everything that comes out of there, the way I see it, is just something that they were told to do by another entity, aka us, all right, or the banksters, or whoever the fuck is running, their country and shit like that. And Yeah, I mean, honestly, this is, this whole thing that's happening right now, is again to keep shaking out the people. Okay, remember what I kept telling you? It's going to be a bear market for the foreseeable future. I don't think it's going to get back to a regular bull market up until the mass adoption starts again. And again, it's we're right around the corner. Okay, whether it's Amazon saying, hey, we're gonna make our own coin, or whether it's the Cash App, now starting to fucking, allow you to buy Bitcoin, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You know what I mean? We're moving towards the direction of mass adoption. It's just gonna take a while. That's all. But at the end of the day, we're getting there. And right now, again, this is the time to brace yourselves. And I'm enough in the book. Hold on, I'm not part of the hodl gang. Okay, sure, there's the time and the place for hodling, but right now, I think it's a time to again, like I was just saying in the episode before and the episode before that, time to hedge your bets. Okay, time to fucking hedge your bets. Okay, don't take any losses. Okay, if you're at a loss right now, hold. That's it. Okay, but if you're anywhere near like it's still making a profit, then yeah, sure, why not reinvest? Okay, and I'm just saying, invest in the few things which we know are viable, which is Litecoin, Bitcoin, gold, silver, maybe a few tangible assets here and there. But for the most part, I'm not gonna put any more money into like any altcoins up until I feel they're rock bottom, and we're far from that. Okay, and I remember, I feel that the altcoin space world is gonna get drained like a motherfucking pimple. I know, disgusting and horrible. The pimple thing. Sorry, but seriously, this is what I think is gonna happen, because there's a lot of motherfucking money in that space right now, and we might think we know where it came from, but we don't fucking really know. All right. And, we're seeing every single fucking day all these things that are coming out of the blue, but they're not really that coming out of the blue. For me, honestly, when I see a lot of these things happen, sure, they might be coming out of the blue, for even for me. But in the sense is, like, as soon as I see it, I'm not surprised. I already can create or follow a paper trail very easily, as a lot of us can. And the thing is that this is the time right now that we all need to, hold on to our balls, okay? And that's it, and not be running scared, because this whole fucking thing is not. If you're in the gold and silver world and have been in the gold and silver world for a while, this is nothing new. Okay, and this might be something new if you're only into crypto and this is just your own, the only experience you have with any of this stuff. But regardless, I'm telling you, this is just going to be normal for a little bit now. And again, reinvest in gold and silver, because silver is at an all-time low, meaning 80 to 1 on the exchange rate, and gold, again, we're still good until we hit $13.78, I think, right? $1,378. We're still about $50 from that, and again, $50 is a lot, and when it comes to that space, so we're still there. So again, just time to reallocate, research, do more homework, and then again, just get ready to pounce. All right. So again, have some cash, have some precious metals, and then have some Bitcoin and Litecoin. And again, what a better time to purchase as it's going lower. All right. And you get the more bang for your buck. And then once everything starts fucking correcting again, you're already set. You're already ready. You don't have to go in and buy coins at a Coinbase, wait a week or anything like that. You don't have to. No. You'll be ready to go. Okay, no matter what it is you want to do. Okay, whether it's just keep some of your cash, go buy some more metals, or reinvest into the fucking crypto space when it's at rock bottom. Okay, because right now we're not at rock bottom. We already know where this space was just a few months ago. Okay, and to me, it's been overbought. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look, I'm 100% super duper crazy believer in EOS, but I haven't talked about it in a very long time, because again, I really do think it's still way overvalued. It's been overvalued, all right, for a long time. All right, and but just for the time being, not that it's overvalued in the totality of everything. I think it's still in the totality undervalued, just at the moment overvalued. Okay, that's all. But this is just my personal opinion. All right, that's all. Okay, all right, guys. So that's it for today. Today has just been a quick overview on, you know, conspiracy-ish theory, you know, on what's really going on with the markets, what's really going on with the fucking, you know, what's going on with the Mt. Gox, with that dump, and that, to me, it was all fucking planned. I don't want to fucking hear it, you know, but honestly, I really do think it was planned. I don't think that there was anything, a mistake about it, you know, like I read the whole article and it was just like, no, man, no. You know, you know, you're telling me that, you know, again, that they were solely selling in little increments at the high, and then all of a sudden, when it got to like a 6,000, or when it got close to the low, then all of a sudden they dumped like 18,000 coins or some shit like that, like some crazy amount. No, man, no. I don't want to fucking hear it, okay? Again, humans are stupid, and this all could be true, and just a stupid fucking human that's involved, you know, taking care of this trust, but I doubt it. I doubt it, okay? Yeah, so right now, this is the time to just, you know, be very, very, very conscious of everything. Let's not forget of everything we know, we learned, what we think of all this for the future. And as we see the price go down, all we are seeing is a buying opportunity and not anything else but that. We're not running scared. We're not anything, okay? If anything, we are just very happy. Remember how I always love red, okay? And now is a perfect time for us to really embrace the fucking red, because again, we're going to be in the red for a little while, all right? But there's just too many things going on in the whole fucking spectrum of the world and politics, and too many variables, okay, to keep this down for too long, okay? Remember that, all right? We're going to still see a crash, you know. Obviously, we're seeing it with the stock market, where if you look at the bonds, you know, it's like just as all the cryptos are going down to red, you look at the bond market, the U.S. bond market, and it's like to green. Who the fuck is buying these bonds? You know, like I was making a comment in another friend's video, you know, it's like, yeah, bonds are buy one, get one free. That's probably what it is. Because again, none of this shit, nothing makes sense, okay? Nothing makes sense. The only thing that makes sense is, you know, whatever the fuck you know makes sense, okay? And you need, at this time, more than any other time in your life, okay, to really be confident in yourself and your homework and your knowledge and all this shit, and fucking push away this FUD, okay? If anything, you guys should all be filled and getting filled with FOMO. In fact, every single day, all I have is FOMO. FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Period. Never FUD. Ever. Ever. Alright, guys. So with that, I'm gonna end it because I really gotta fucking go. I'm fucking late as fuck. I honestly thought I had recorded a fucking video today, and then when I was about to start, you know, doing the upload and, you know, getting my cameras ready for a shoot today, I was like, oh shit, where the fuck is the file? And I realized I didn't fucking film anything today. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys mañana. Tomorrow's Friday, and it's gonna be fucking awesome. I mean, oh, and happy International Women's Day, all right? Like, hey, like PewDiePie, I respect women. I love women, all right? All of them, especially Amanda B. Johnson. P.S. Go to her channel and check out her new fucking video, okay? She's back, and it's fucking awesome, and she's fucking awesome, and this is all awesome. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday, March 9th. Almost went backwards. Bye. Remember, very important, very, very important, because otherwise you turn into me.